Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mukadas again, and today we are doing a fun activity. First of all, happy holidays. In this video, we're gonna wrap a gift. So you can just take this idea when you're gifting to your loved ones, your family members or friends. Actually, this was my cousin's birthday. We need a box for this. You can use a box of your choice. In addition, you'll need a wrapping paper and some crepe paper. So let's get started. I'm cutting orange crepe paper. Actually, this was leftover from my Halloween decorations, black and orange color. You can use any color. Along with orange, I used some black and white glaze paper and I cut the stripes out of it. Actually, I'll use that to fill the box before putting the gift in it. So instead of buying from supermarket or ordering from somewhere, you can just make these on your own. They're super easy to make, cheap and budget friendly, so they're ready. So let's now pack the box. We need a UHU or glue stick of any kind to paste the wrapping paper on the inner side of the box. So I just used the UHU and tried to pack it, but it was a bit difficult. Using this, you can use another strong glue for that purpose according to your wrapping paper. It's turn to go for the sides, so I gently pasted the sides of the wrapping paper using a UHU again. So you can see it was not a difficult process. You can easily do it, and I just molded it according to that side. It seemed pretty good. So we are going to do the same thing from the other side, and now it's turn for that part. For that purpose, I'm gonna cut the sides so that it'd be easier to make it. And I cut out the extra part of the wrapping paper using the scissors and attach the thin sides of the wrapping paper to the box again. Got the sore throat, so please bear with me. In the same way, you can just go pack a Christmas gift or any other gift for your family or friends, and it's super fun and easy to make it. And it's ready. You can see how beautiful it looks. Very neat and just gorgeous. So now we're gonna go and fill it with the crepe paper and glaze paper that we cut earlier. It out evenly and it looked better. So now we're gonna place the gift in it and let's see how it looks. Place a sketchbook in it, which I actually bought for online, and in addition I placed some chocolates. So you can just go for any chocolate of your choice or other gums or lollipops, whatever you want to add. So it's ready. You can see how adorable it looks, and it's a pretty good idea when you're gifting your loved ones with something innovative. Found this cute blue ribbon and I decided to put it on the box because it looked so good. So I was thinking how should I attach it, and then I ended up pasting it like this. It looked good. That's for today. See you then. Bye.